In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert time format HHMM to decimal hours in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to the page that contains your time log database. Once you're on the main dashboard, find the table where your duration values are stored. This works best when you already have a property that contains time in an hour and minute format, like 1:30 or 2:45. Now move to the far right side of your table header and click the plus icon to add a new property. When the property type menu opens, choose Formula. For the name, type decimal hours. Take a second here to enter it clearly, because this will become the column that automatically calculates the converted value for each row. Next, click into the formula editor and paste or type the full formula carefully. Enter. To number. Then, open parenthesis. Split. Open parenthesis. Prop. Open parenthesis. Duration. Close parenthesis. Comma. Colon. Close parentheses. Dot at. Open parenthesis. 0. Close parentheses. Close parenthesis. Plus. To number. Open parenthesis. Split. Open parenthesis. Prop. Open parenthesis. Ration. Close parenthesis. Comma. Colon. Close parenthesis. Dot at. Open parenthesis. 1. Close parenthesis, divided by 60. If you're typing it manually, go slowly and watch the punctuation. The formula is simply taking the hour portion from your duration field, then adding the minute portion divided by 60. So if the entry is 1:30, Notion reads that as 1 hour plus 30 divided by 60, which gives you 1.5. Once the formula is entered, click anywhere outside the editor to save it and apply the calculation. Right away, Notion should populate the new decimal hours column for your existing entries. Look through the column and make sure the results match what you expect. For example, a value like 1:30 should convert to 1.5. This quick check helps confirm that your duration property is formatted consistently and that the formula is reading it correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you want to adjust how the numbers look, hover over any value in the decimal hours column and click the 123 icon. From there, you can change the number format or rounding, depending on whether you want fewer decimal places or a more precise result. You can also customize it further on your end if you prefer a different display style. And if needed, repeat the same process with another sample entry just to verify everything is working the way you want. Once you're done, you'll see the decimal hours calculation right there in your Notion database under your account. That means you've successfully converted time format H:/M to decimal hours in Notion. Go ahead and try it now with your own data, and you're all set.